What did I do today? What time is it? I don't even know. What's going on, y'all? This is Pusic of MP Media here with another video on how did I do that shoot. Today we're going to go through some behind the scenes footage of a video shoot I did and the thought process I've had with directing the models, my lighting situation, what special effects I used during this shoot, and just give you an idea of the composition I was looking forward to make. So far I've been having a blast showing you guys behind the scenes footage and doing some commentary. So if this is your first episode watching, what I do is I take behind the scenes footage and I do commentary on top, so you understand exactly what I'm doing during these shoots. So here, let's go check out some of these clips of this video shoot and watch how I do it. Now you can see I'm bald. Oh, I shave. How's that? Let's get official. Here we go. So here I am. It's our rain scene. So you see I'm always testing the water. Now I'm having my homeboy RJ move my LED wands around. I like to sandwich my lighting a lot. So here I'm having him move LED wands to one corner while I put the other set on the opposite end. Kind of like sandwich lighting. I like having one effect on one set of lights and a solid light on another. That gives a good kind of vibe going on in the shoot. Here I'm testing my Nanlite 300B on him, so in case I need it, I'm having him stand in the area where I want the models placed. So here I have Brittany. She's in the middle of the scene, and now I always put music on during the shoots that I kind of feel the vibe for. It allows the model to move in the way I'm feeling the final composition to come out with. So I'm having him move to music similar to what I'm kind of thinking. Always like smoke, but in rooms this small, when I first put on the smoke, it totally diffused everything. I couldn't see anything. So we had to aim a fan in an angle. After a few tests, we had to aim a fan onto the smoke. Here I'm directing Brittany on doing a lot of hair whipping. Now with hair whipping, you got to do a few takes. You have to do a few takes because sometimes the hair moves great on one take versus another. So I have a few variations. Always do those kind of special moves 2 to 3, maybe even 4 times. So you have a variance of clips to look at. Always have fun in your shoots. Always laugh and have a good time. Don't take it too serious. People take it too serious and never have a good time. Now in these sets, I'm shooting at only 120 frames per second, 4K. I'm shooting a C-Log 3, which you'll see the raw footage with the color graded footage. I'll put the footage here, so you see C-Log 3 versus color graded. And then when I'm editing it, I'll try to speed up the footage. Sometimes I like 250% faster, 350% faster, even up to 500, which gives me the rough range of 24, 30 frames per second when I speed it up. That's why I like shooting at a 120 frame rate. It allows me to play around with the speeds. When I shoot 60 and slow down 50%, it's not the same, in my opinion, in the slow motion aspect. So I like shooting at 120 and I can play with the speeds of the footage to make it more cinematic and everything. Now here I have a second subject, Sam Mack. She's coming into the shoot, and I kind of have this thought of Sam coming behind Brittany on the floor. Like we don't see Sam in the shot at all until I special effect some smoke and Sam comes into the shot. I had that vision and I wanted to make it happen. So when I was directing the ladies, I would tell Brittany to do her moves, and then while I blast some smoke, I'll say, let's go, let's go, let's go, come on, Sam. And then she'll come behind exactly how I want her to. And she's a pro. She knows how to move and everything like that. So I don't need to do much with Sam to get her to do the movements that I need. So then I just let them move, and then I cut every few seconds. When I'm shooting at 120 frames per second, I do small clips. So I have little pieces of footage to just go through, not one long, humongous clip. That's worthless. I like small clips so I can just take out bits out of each of them. When I'm liking how the models are performing, I always give them reassurance, like good, 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 good. I let them know that they're doing exactly what I want them to do, and the movements are clean and everything's coming out just how I'm envisioning it. So talk to your models and let them know that they are doing a good job. They need that too. Here, I switched angles. I wanted the solid blue light of the LED wands behind them now. It gives a silhouette when it goes black, and it gives a different kind of feel to the composition. So you don't want the same angle over and over again. It kind of gets repetitive. So when I move, I see something else. You want to make it like, you want to tell a story. You want to be cinematic. This is how you do it. Change your angles. Just like in photography, you got to change angles. Sometimes a different angle gets a different shot. Same thing with videography. Change angles. Now, not with every photo shoot, but with a lot of photo shoots, I add this video element into it, and it literally takes 15, 20 minutes to get this done. You could do a whole package video photo shoot for a client, price it right and everything, and they get so much more content that way. So after the shoot, you tell them it went awesome, everything went smooth like that, and your vision came out exactly how you envisioned it. That will build up the excitement of the outcome that you're gonna produce. How dope was that? Did you like those clips? Man, I just love doing video shoots. They're so much fun. They bring such a different creative aspect to being a creative. Being a photographer, you do it this way, but being a videographer, you do it that way. It's completely different. So I enjoy both sides of the spectrum. I hope in this video you learn how to direct your models and your subjects, be creative with your lighting, use some different effects, set yourself apart from everyone else that does video work, and learn what I do with 120 frames per second footage. You can keep it at 100% speed as it is, or you can speed it up. It gives you a wider range of different kind of cinematic feels within your composition. So I hope you really like this video. Comment below, subscribe to my channel. That'd be great. Have a good one, guys. Stay hungry, stay focused. Thanks a lot, y'all.